Have ever felt tired after a meal or struggled with weight loss despite efforts? Hey everyone, welcome back to Shackles Off TV, where we empower you with information to take control of your health and well-being. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and click the bell icon so you never miss our latest videos. Today, we're diving into an essential topic for anyone looking to optimize their diet: the 8 signs that you might be carbohydrate sensitive. Ready to find out if carbs are affecting you more than you realize? Let's get started. First things first, what does it mean to be carbohydrate sensitive? Carbohydrate sensitivity refers to how your body reacts to consuming carbs. Some people can eat carbs without any issues, while others may experience negative symptoms. Recognizing these signs can help you adjust your diet for better health. Let's dive into the first sign. The first sign is constant cravings for carbs and sugary foods. If you find yourself always reaching for bread, pasta, or sweets, it might be a sign that your body is struggling to regulate blood sugar levels. These cravings can lead to overeating and weight gain. When you eat carbs, your body breaks them down into glucose, causing a spike in blood sugar. This spike is followed by a crash, leading to more cravings. It's a vicious cycle that can be hard to break. Sign number 2 is experiencing energy highs and lows. Do you feel energetic right after eating but crash a few hours later? This could be a result of your body's inability to maintain stable blood sugar levels. Consuming high amounts of refined carbs can lead to these energy fluctuations. The third sign is difficulty losing weight. If you've been trying to shed pounds without success, despite your best efforts, you might be carbohydrate sensitive. Carbs can cause insulin spikes, making it harder for your body to burn fat. Sign number 4 is feeling bloated and gassy after eating carbs. This can be particularly true for foods containing gluten or lactose. The fifth sign is brain fog and trouble concentrating. Carbohydrate sensitivity can affect your brain function, leading to issues with focus and clarity. If you feel mentally sluggish after eating carbs, this might be a sign your body isn't handling them well. If you notice that you're frequently bloated or gassy after meals, it could be a sign that your body is having trouble digesting certain carbohydrates. Sign number 6 is high triglyceride levels. If you've had blood tests showing elevated triglycerides, it might be linked to your carb intake. High triglycerides can increase your risk of heart disease and are often associated with carbohydrate sensitivity. Sign number 7 is skin issues and inflammation. Carbohydrate sensitivity can manifest as acne, eczema, or other inflammatory skin conditions. High blood sugar levels can cause inflammation throughout your body, affecting your skin health. The 8th and final sign is trouble sleeping. If you find it hard to fall or stay asleep, your carb intake might be the culprit. High carb meals, especially before bedtime, can disrupt your sleep cycle by causing blood sugar fluctuations. Now that we've covered the signs, what should you do if you suspect you're carbohydrate sensitive? Here are some actionable steps. 1. Monitor your carb intake. Keep track of the types and amounts of carbs you're consuming. 2. Choose complex carbs. Opt for whole grains, vegetables, and legumes instead of refined carbs. 3. Balance your meals. Include protein and healthy fats to stabilize blood sugar levels. 4. Stay hydrated. Drink plenty of water to help your body process carbs more efficiently. 5. Consult a nutritionist. A professional can help create a personalized diet plan that works for you. And there you have it, folks. The 8 signs that you might be carbohydrate sensitive. By paying attention to these signs and making a few adjustments to your diet, you can improve your health and well-being. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up. Share it with your friends and don't forget to subscribe for more health and wellness tips. Until next time, stay healthy and keep those shackles off.